Whether you are building a new 10-person team or hiring 400 technologists in 4 months, hiring talent and optimizing your resources within a short and strict timeline can be challenging. Seasonal hiring spikes often occur due to a business transformation, change in strategy, launch of a new product or service, setting up operations in a foreign country, or economic uncertainty. To help you overcome these seasonal hiring spikes, Manpower Group Talent Solutions Project RPO delivers an agile recruiting solution that is cost-efficient and rapidly scalable. Our flexible project-led approach supplies high-quality professionals faster and more effectively than traditional recruitment models. We deploy a dedicated resourcing team that is fully accountable and responsible for the hiring project. While managing your employee value proposition, we attract and bring you the best talent in the market. Through our talent mapping insights, scalable global delivery hubs, and PowerSuite technology, we have serviced over 1,000 projects across 54 countries. Project RPO enables you to focus worry-free on other tasks while benefiting from reduction in time to hire, decreased hiring costs, and increased efficiency. We deliver work-ready talent when you need it. Contact us for more information on Project RPO.